Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I am based here in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States. We only work with U.S. immigration. So we only work with U.S. immigration cases. Because we only work with immigration, we can represent clients all throughout the United States because it's considered a federal practice as long as you are an attorney in good standing in any bar in any state in the US, you can represent anyone in immigration. So this is why we have clients in California, we have clients in Texas, Washington State. Tell me where you guys are watching from. I would love to know if you're joining me for the first time or if you just want to say hello, please go ahead and do that. I come on frequently. I'm going to start off with some questions. I'm hoping to give you guys information about immigration. I would love to share more about immigration with you. Some of our wins. I think I've been sharing frequently that we are so excited. We had, I think, close to 10 work permits and travel documents approved, and they're here in our office. Our clients are coming. Some of them, if you're watching, let me know, but some of our clients are coming to pick them up tomorrow. This is work authorization, travel authorization for people that have not been in status for a very long time. So we are super excited. We'll be posting some more information on this on our social media. Right now I'm on TikTok, on Facebook, and YouTube. That's TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. Follow us, like us on all the platforms. We're just really thrilled. We've been working to help folks that have been undocumented without status or their status expired, right? If you came in on a tourist visa, your status expired, or you came in and you never had status, your spouse is promising to file for your green card, your spouse is threatening you, dangling that green card like a carrot, just trying to control and manipulate you, you might be eligible to receive work authorization and travel authorization in just a few months. It's taking us about 6 months to receive work and travel authorization for our clients that didn't even think that they were going to be able to get status in any way. So we are so excited. It's one of the best parts of our job. It's one of the best parts of our law firm. Our team is just so strong in their work product, but they're also so strong in their emotions and how passionate they feel about helping people that are here in the United States without status. We are helping you change your life by getting work authorization, by getting permission to be here legally in the United States. So we look forward to doing that every day. So that's part of our humanitarian work, our humanitarian immigration work. But if you are interested in family-based immigration, if you're getting married, which is super exciting, right? Again, life-changing, we can help you sponsor your spouse. We help folks sponsor their parents or their children. We can also help with employment cases. H-1B is a big time right now. If you have questions about H-1B, if your employer is trying to find a lawyer to help sponsor your H-1B, we definitely help many companies with that. So give us a call. You can schedule a consultation to start a case with us if you like. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. Awesome, WNR, thank you so much for joining. I will get to your question in just a second. So I want to start off with our question of the day, right? This is our question that is helpful to you guys, that you're wondering about maybe, and definitely ones where others have asked us this question. So I'm going to share this with you. So I'm going to go into VAWA. So what's VAWA? If you don't know what that is, let me help you with that. Okay, so our most common case type is VAWA, which is someone who's married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and their spouse will not sponsor their green card, or they don't want to ask for their spouse's help to sponsor that green card for them. This is a way for them to do it on their own if they qualify. To qualify, they have to be married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. They have to live with them for any amount of time. It has to be a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes, and there has to be abuse in that marriage. And that abuse oftentimes is mental abuse, verbal abuse in the marriage, right? So your spouse yelling at you, calling you names, putting down where you come from, anything like that, or using that green card process to manipulate you and hurt you. Okay, so you might be eligible to do a green card process on your own without the help of your spouse. So give us a call if we can help you with that. We've had recent successes with that, which is super exciting, and we want to do more of those applications to help people that don't even realize that this is a way for them to change their own life and to change the lives of their children and their family by taking advantage of this process to help you get a green card in the United States. Okay, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. If you're just joining me for the first time, say hello, tell me where you're watching from. I always love to see where you guys are watching from and hear your stories. It's wonderful to have you join. If you don't already like us and follow us on our social media platforms, please do so. You can follow and like us on Facebook, on YouTube, and TikTok. We're also on Instagram, but right now the live stream is happening on all of these different platforms. Hi, NM. We have some frequent visitors here that always are so loyal and are supporting me here while I'm on here live. NM is one of them. Thank you so much for joining again. I hope that you find this informative, and I hope that any immigration goals that you guys have is going smoothly, going well, and if there are hiccups or if you're just wondering about something, that this is a good place for you to be able to ask those questions. So please like us and follow us, and if you know of others that might find this interesting, that might find this helpful, please share this post with them. Okay, so share this with friends and family if you think they want to join us next time in this immigration conversation, or if they want to join us even this time. All right, great. MK says, hello, attorney. Based on VAWA, self-declaration is most fundamental piece of evidence, but everything you are saying there, you do. I'm not sure what your question is, but yes, I agree. And yes, I keep saying that we have a very detailed declaration for our VAWA case. The way that our firm works is when you sign on with us, we will schedule you for a 2-hour plus phone call, and we get all of the details. So we will ask you questions to maybe trigger your memory so you can focus on the types of things, the facts that might help your VAWA case, right? So we want you to be fully truthful to us when you speak to us. And then we will ask you questions, and your job is to remember as much as you can and answer truthfully. That's all we want you to do. So what we do with that information, we take very, very detailed notes, and then we draft up what we call a declaration, which is the main piece of evidence for your VAWA case. Okay, so we will give that to you so you can review it and edit it if you need to, but it's based on what you are telling us. We just frame it to satisfy the regulations of the VAWA, so everything is just organized. So when the government reviews it, they can see the various types of abuse that you've experienced in your marriage or your relationship for VAWA purposes. Okay, give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. I'm here. I started talking about VAWA, and I want to answer the question of the day. Ready, guys? This is the question of the day. How does my criminal record affect my VAWA case? Right? How does my criminal record affect my VAWA case? So your criminal record goes towards good moral character. So if you have a criminal record, it doesn't mean you don't qualify for VAWA. You might still be able to qualify for VAWA. Sometimes any crimes that you've committed is tied to the abuse in your relationship. Okay, so if we can tie that to the abuse in your relationship, then that is helpful for your VAWA application, and it will help you prove good moral character. All right, I hope that is helpful to you guys. Feel free to reach out to us at 703-348-1663. Again, that's 703-348-1663. This is for a consultation. We're doing them by phone, by Zoom, and in person. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Awesome. I hope that is helpful. Another thing I want to talk to you about VAWA is if you have a crime that's super old, right? We had a situation when we had a client with a crime that was committed I don't know, 20, 30 years ago. And he's married now, and he's applying for VAWA through his child. So what happened with him was he got into a car accident many, many years ago. He was undocumented, and I think he did what everyone here would probably do. If you're undocumented, you get into a car accident, right? He ran. That he had a warrant against him. So this is something that our firm found when we started his VAWA application. He had no idea that there was an arrest warrant, and it was 30 years old. So we were able to help him get that closed out. So we worked with a criminal attorney. We partnered with them. We helped get the case calendared. We helped talk through to the prosecutors on what they required. They understood that it was 30 years ago, right? So we did everything we could to get that case closed out. And you know what? He got a prima facie determination on his VAWA case, which was fantastic. If you have a criminal record, that is hard to get, and it's hard to prove good moral character. So we also used letters from friends and family, from the priest at his church, right, to show that he is a person of good moral character. He made a mistake 30 years ago, and understandably, why he made that mistake, he feels sorry about it. He wants to accept whatever repercussions there are. He turned himself in, right? And he was able to move forward with the VAWA case. So we are super excited because hopefully we will see the VAWA approval. We will see the green card pretty soon, but he's already gotten his work authorization and his travel authorization. So we're all very, very excited for him for that. So if you have a criminal record, you can still move forward with VAWA potentially. So give us a call so we can talk to you about your eligibility. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. I look forward to meeting many of you for a consultation. Awesome. All right, so let me see if I can answer some of these other questions. Okay, so does VAWA only recognize women, right? So I'm a man, can I apply for VAWA? So men and women are treated exactly the same way for VAWA. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. If you're married to a U.S. citizen or green card holder, if you've lived with them, it was a real marriage, not just for immigration, and there's abuse in that marriage. Again, all types of abuse, mental abuse, verbal abuse, all types of abuse will count, right? And the way you prove that abuse is through a detailed declaration. Our firm will work with you in preparing a draft of that declaration, okay? If you have all that, it doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman, you can still qualify for VAWA. Call us for a consultation. We're at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And you can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. All right, perfect. Okay, so MK is saying, Diara, that is a great question. Okay, I want to bring this up, guys. Diara says, is it true that starting from April 1st, VAWA fees will be free? Starting from April 1st, VAWA fees will be free. So let me clarify, Diara. VAWA fees are already free. So if you're applying for VAWA, that's an I-360 petition, they are free right now, okay? What is going to be exempt, which means no additional fees, if you qualify for VAWA and a green card, the green card application fees will also be free. So right now they're about $1,225, so $1,225 that you need to pay for the green card. The VAWA part is free. The green card part now costs $1,225, but after April 1st, it will be free. So get your VAWA applications ready, guys, because if you file after April 1st, you can apply for VAWA and a green card, of course, if you're eligible, and it's a huge benefit for you. Work permit in 6 to 8 months, VAWA approval, which gives you permission to stay in the United States in about 1.5 years, and a green card in about 2.5 to 3 years. I hope that is helpful. Give me a call at 348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. We have clients with all types of applications. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney, and we can help you no matter where in the US you are located. All right? Awesome. Diara, you're welcome. Diara says thank you. She's watching with us from YouTube. She says thank you. You're absolutely welcome. I hope that you guys take advantage of VAWA. If you qualify for VAWA, it is an awesome, awesome way to free yourself from abuse. So don't hesitate to move forward with that, okay? Make sure you're eligible. Make sure you prepare a strong application, which is why I encourage you to work with an attorney. We would love to help you. We do these cases all the time. So don't hesitate to check out our website, check out our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration. Website is agarwalimmigration.com. And we would love to help you with this application. All right. Okay, here's another one. Can I qualify for VAWA if I'm divorced, right? I'm divorced from a US citizen or a green card holder. Can I still qualify for VAWA? So if your divorce occurred less than 2 years from the time you apply for VAWA, you can still apply. So basically you have 2 years from the date of the final divorce to be able to apply for VAWA. Call us if we can help you. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States, and you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome. Okay, so I think we've gotten through most of the questions. Let's see. MK says, please explain and go through step by step the VAWA process and the total length of time there will be for 485 interview after VAWA approval. I can give you quickly the average VAWA timeframes. However, they're all over the place, right? So some of our clients get VAWA and green card in 1.5 years. Some of our clients get them in 3 years, right? We have been very successful with our VAWA applications. We're super excited about them, but the time frame is all over the place. This is the average time frame. In about 6 to 8 months, right? So around 7 months, we're actually seeing work authorization and travel when you do a VAWA and a green card. 1.5 years for the VAWA approval, and about 2.5 to 3 years for the green card. Hope that is helpful for you, MK. Okay? All right, guys. I think, unfortunately, I don't have a ton of time today. I'm just glancing through the questions. I'm sorry if I don't get to all of them. Follow us and like us so you can come on when I'm on again next time. I don't have a ton of time today, but I'm so glad to see so many of you. WNR. Okay, let me answer your question because you were the first question that popped up today. Let me answer your question. That's going to be the last one for the day, you guys, okay? But follow us and like us so we can be together here on our live again, and share this post with others. I'm an immigration attorney. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We help clients all over the United States. So make sure you like us and follow us so we can hop on again and talk about immigration, okay? All right. WNR says, one question, I received my U visa work permit a month ago. Congratulations. My wife is a derivative and she hasn't received it yet. How long can it take for hers? And I have a son in the U.S. Army. He's 18 years old. Fantastic. Thank you to your son who's joined the U.S. Army. I would reach out to the hotline, the VAWA hotline. If you are working with an attorney, we can also help you with that. If you would like, you can reach us 703-348-1663. But what I would do is send a letter and ask about that, or you can submit an inquiry to USCIS and see what the processing time is. If it's outside of normal processing times, you can submit an inquiry with the receipt numbers, right? Or the other option also is you can do this in addition, reach out to your senator, your congressman. They usually have a contact for immigration applications, and you'll be able to ask them that question, and they can find out more information about your application and get back to you. They're here to help you. So take advantage of that. Take advantage of all the options available to you, especially if you are out of status here in the United States. We want to get you in status because it is going to be life-changing for you. Okay, don't be scared. I know many of you are scared. Don't be scared. We're here with you. We're guiding you every step of the way. Call us 703-348-1663. All right, guys. Thanks so much. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Okay, have a great afternoon. I will see you soon. Bye, everyone.